Want to clean up your Discord DMs without deleting your whole account? Here's a super simple way to manage your chats with someone in under a minute. First, open Discord on your computer and make sure you're logged into the right account. On the left sidebar, look for the Direct Messages section. These are all your recent private chats. Click the DM with the person whose messages you want to tidy up. Your conversation opens in the middle. You'll see all messages, images, and links you've shared. To clear specific messages, you can delete them one by one. Let's start with messages you sent. Hover over a message you sent. On the right, click the three dots, then choose Delete Message. Discord will ask you to confirm. Click Delete again, and that message disappears for everyone. If you didn't send the message, you can't remove it for them, but you can hide the whole DM from your sidebar. In the Direct Messages list, right-click that person's name, then choose Close DM. This doesn't delete the conversation for them. It just removes that chat from your sidebar and keeps things tidy. And that's it. Delete any messages you sent, close DMs you don't need, and enjoy a cleaner Discord without the clutter.